That orange spray paint, that's marking a sprinkler head. So we got 5 high octane pipes in here. See, these are veterans. They know how to minimize whatever has to be restored. There's another sprinkler right there. So again, we got high octane tied into a tapped storm drain catch basin. We run a second high octane and then we just start picking them up. 3rd, 4th, 5th with the Boffman tile end plugs. This was an unbelievably big trench back here because of the crowding of the yard. There were too many people in this backyard trying to solve a water problem, and they kept thinking throwing more fill at it was going to be the answer instead of just piping it out in the first place. There's been a lot of dirt hauled into this yard. So that just tells you how deep this trench is. There's 5 pipes in it. And we're still going to have about, I don't know, looks about 12 inches of stone on top. But we have more reservoir, we have more void with the high octane. The Boffman tile high octane, it will move more water than stone. That's why we prefer to add pipe versus stone when we can.